Hello everybody, welcome to Paul Vickery Fishing. It's the first week in February and I'm starting to get anxious that the river season's ending, so all those places I wanted to go to, I'm in a rush to get to. So today we're going to the River Way in Farnham. The River Way rises in autumn and travels over 87 miles all the way to Weybridge. It's a beautiful river, lots of trout, dace, chub, roach and barbel. Today I'm hoping to catch some nice trout and hopefully a chub or two. Where I'm fishing today is Goosetree Meadow in Farnham, the market town of Farnham. Absolutely beautiful town, and it's all free fishing, so you can just get down there and help yourself. Really nice place, lovely. God, it does look nice and clear. It's a lovely looking river the way. We're using a Normark Avenger 3000 and my Dara Exist reel, a 15 bottom to a 711 hook because there's quite a few trout in here, and I've got a Clarisso adapter and a big dome top stick float. It's 8 number 4s. I've got a big dome top because my eyes are going bad and I want you guys to see some bites. Tony Camplin loves a bite and we all love seeing a bite. There's a shopping trolley in there which I'm a bit worried about, and I've been debating about getting it out now or getting it out later. I hope I don't lose a fish on it. Let's make the first cast. And there is the first fish of the day. Gotta love a minnow. Haven't caught any minnows for quite a while actually. And there is our first decent fish, and it's a goer. Oof. It's a good fish. Bit worried about that shopping trolley. Oh. Where is he? There he is. He's staying deep. Wherever he is. Probably a chub. Yeah, he's a chub. He's a big one. He's a big one. Oh, he's quite powerful. Oh, I don't know actually, it might be a trout. I think it might be a trout. Ugh, don't go in that shopping trolley. If I lose it in that shopping trolley, I'm definitely going to have it out. It is a trout. It's a trout, an out of season trout. He's fighting well. Beautiful brownie. Beautiful brownie. Come on, mate. Out you come. Oh. Let's try and get him in that slack water. I've got a chance there. Oh, brilliant. That's a great first fish. Albeit I'm not after trout. Oh, let's just open that up a bit. Fantastic fish, real beauty. He's got a bit of a kipe on him, probably in breeding season. I think that'll be a male trout. Absolutely beautiful fish. I like waters that have brown trout in them. It's lucky on free fishing that there's any trout left in here. Let's put him back. Let's give him a chance to recover. Oh, he's strong. He wants to go though. Let's try and get this trolley out. It's easier said than done. That shopping trolley is solid. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Here it
Might be a pound in it.
There might be a pound in it. Yeah, good save.
I think we should take it to our
Yeah. Right. I'm moving on. There's plenty of water and I've not got a lot of time. Plus I've got to get rid of this thing. I haven't fished this bit before. It's deeper Clyde. Looks like the locals fish here a lot, so let's give it a go. Right, we need the net actually. Oh, we've left the net over there. Typical. I'll grab the net. I think we can swing this one. Whoop. It was a tatty looking dace. Crikey. That is the tattiest looking dace I've caught in ages. It's been caught a few times unfortunately.
Can I have a go?
Yep, right, Ollie's going to have a go. Oh, got a little robin. We've got ourselves a little fisherman's friend. Is he coming back?
Where?
There's a robin just in there. There he goes. Yeah, he'll gain confidence. Let's give him a proper meal. There you go. If he's scared, he won't come closer.
Got one.
Yeah.
That's really big.
Ollie's got one. Probably is.
Oh, he's only just looking up.
It's the flow, they make them feel big.
Look, the robin's back.
Right, don't reel in too much. Let's just go backwards a bit because you won't be able to pick him out. Right, let's swing him out. That's it. There you go. Look.
And hold him.
Yeah, it's a nice little dace for Ollie. Right, you're going to hold him up to the camera. Whoa. What you got to say to the camera?
Like and subscribe.
That's it. There you go. I think that's your first dace.
Probably.
Nice. You put him back gently.
Yeah. Bring it over fishing.
That's what free fishing on these sort of waters is about. Getting kids having a dangle. Catching a gudgeon. Catching minnow. We might even catch some chub.
Can I have another go?
Oh, he wants another go. Oh, can't we do a fish each?
2 fish each.
2 fish each? That's being greedy. Go on then. There you go. After a while you'll start to get fish in the same place. Are you right just fishing?
Yeah.
There you go. Dace are really quick.
This is fun.
Yeah, I know. Bless him. Ollie just said, this is fun. I'm like, yeah, I know, I do it all the time. I'm glad he's enjoying it. Yeah, kids fishing. That's how we all learn, isn't it? On the rivers and on the canals and little ponds catching roach. Nowadays, kids, they go in and they go to a local carp puddle and they catch a £20 carp on a bait and weight bolt rig with a bite alarm, and they don't really learn any skills. No disrespect to carp fishing, but it would be nice if kids were catching fish like this. I mean, that's what it's all about. It really is. I'm really enjoying Ollie having a fish, but I'm a bit worried. Tomorrow when I'm on the froom, he's going to want to go and I want to catch the big roach. Might have to kick him off. That's one.
One.
What we got? I reckon it's going to be a trout. Oh!
Oh. I don't think I got that on video.
No, jumped clean out. It was a trout. Never mind. There's one. Yep. I think it's a trout though. I thought it was a chub, but it's not. It's quite a big trout. I was just starting to lose faith, and Ollie was starting to lose patience. I was hoping there'd be a chub under there. No, it's another trout. Good one. Oh, come on, 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 come on. What a lovely trout. Oh, oh, yes. What an absolute beauty. And that is the River Way at Farnham, and free fishing. Wow, when you catch fish like this. Wasn't intending to catch trout, was hoping to catch chub, but caught some nice trout. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.